welcome back. I'm your Tangy. In this video, I'm going to share how to make tomato soup with noodles. So let's take a look at the recipe. Here I have taken 5 medium-sized tomatoes and now I'm going to wash it. So here after washing the tomatoes, we are going to chop this. So now we are going to cut these tomatoes into 4 parts. So here I have chopped the tomatoes into 4 parts each, and now we are going to boil this. In a pan, take 2 glasses of water and wait until it boils. So now here our water is started boiling, and now it's time to add our tomato pieces, and along with it add 3 whole Kashmiri red chilies or Banake chilies. Cook until our tomato softens. Meanwhile, let's make our croutons. For making croutons, here I have taken 3 brown breads or wheat breads, and now I'm going to cut it into pieces. In a wok, take some oil for frying our croutons. So let's fry our croutons. So here our croutons are ready. Let's add our next batch. These are also ready. Let's take it out. So here our croutons are ready. So here our tomatoes are turned soft. Let it cool completely and then we'll grind. Let's peel out our tomatoes skin. Here I have taken Tangy mirchis or Kashmiri red chilies because it gives a good color to a soup. Let's grind it. In the same pan, take 1 tablespoon of oil, then asafoetida or hing, then add a little bit of chili powder. I am not using much because I have already used Tangy mirchis in our paste, so if you want you can skip it. Now let's add our tomato paste. Add salt as per taste. Give it a good mix and cook for 1 minute. At this step, add half glass of water. I am using the water that I have used for boiling my tomatoes. Make sure that your soup should not be very thin or very thick. It should be medium. Cook this for 1 minute on high flame. So here our tomato soup is ready. Switch off the flame and now let's serve it. Now add some croutons. Now here I have taken a piece of coriander. Let's serve it. So here tomato soup is ready. Enjoy!